Okay, so let's go ahead and start our lesson for today. Today's topic is asking for help. So let's go ahead first and take a look at the skit. And this is the skit that we'll be working on today. So Maru, will you please be Mary and I will be Ken?
Okay.
All right, here we go. Excuse me.
Yes.
I'm sorry to bother you, but would you help me?
Yes. What's wrong?
I think I'm lost.
Well, where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to the bank. Can you please try to pronounce this word?
Bank.
Okay, so the A, is actually a little bit different sound. It's more of a, so bank. It's a difference between ma'ayueo no a and u. There's about the middle of those two different pronunciations. So it's bank.
Bank.
Oh, very good. Exactly. Perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the words for this lesson. Here we go. Let's look at number 1 here. Can you please say number 1 for me?
Bother.
Okay, and this one also, the pronunciation. This is bother. It's not bother. It's not bother. It's bother. So this O is similar to an A. So if I were to type it out, it would look like this, bother.
Bother.
And it's a little bit shorter, so bother.
Bother.
Very good. So let's go ahead and move on, and let's look at these key phrases real quick. So if you can read number 1 for me, please.
I'm sorry to bother you.
Okay, very good. Okay, Madhu. So this is the role play for today. Since we are asking for help, I mentioned earlier that many people, they get lost. They don't know how to get somewhere, right? So we are going to practice asking and giving directions to all right, each other. So what I would like to do is I will pretend that I am lost, okay? And I would like to ask you to give me directions to where I would like to go to. All right, so, excuse me.
Yes.
You know, I seem to be lost. Can you help me?
Yes. What's wrong?
I'm trying to get to the city hall, but I just don't know how to get there. Can you give me directions, please?
Yes. Firstly, head south, and you can see the right, and turn left at the corner, and go straight, and you can see the signal, and then turn left, and you can see the city hall on the right hand.
Okay, very good. Okay, a couple of different comments that I would like to add. Okay, first of all, yeah, very good. That's exactly right, right? You led me straight to the city hall. There was a couple different things that I would like to mention, though. In the beginning, you said firstly. Okay, instead of firstly, we would say first. Yes, exactly. So first, head south and make a left at the light, for example. Okay, and let's try. Can you please try to say this word again? Let's go ahead and take a look at our discussion for this time. Okay, so we are talking about directions. That is our main topic, asking for help, but here we are asking for directions, right? So in this discussion, like for example, when you need directions to somewhere you've never been to.
Recently, I refer to my smartphone because it has a good function and application, so I can look up the direction easily.
Absolutely. Yes, 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 yes. With the invention and the use of smartphones, it is very, very hard to get lost, especially because it has the map and it shows you exactly where to go. So it's very,
Yeah.
very convenient to have a
Yeah.
smartphone.
In addition,
Okay, Maru. Well, we are just about out of time for today. So I would like to thank you very much for coming to my lesson, and I hope to see you next time.